Welcome back to Chasing Trophies. The IPL is upon us, and today we'll talk about a very interesting, exciting topic. I think we know the answer to it, but the question is, will MS Dhoni, aka Thala, for a reason, get into the CSK playing 11? Remember, MS Dhoni has played every single season of the IPL so far. Also, another thing is that he hasn't played proper cricket in the last 3 4 years, apart from IPL, or more than that, actually. But will he get into the 11? The question why this is arises because Sanju Samson is also in the 11 now. He can keep wickets also. He can bat as well. So that is why this question arises. First of all, how are you doing? And is Dhoni playing?
Yeah, doing well, bhai. Like you said, 4 days away, 5 days away from all the important IPL season number 19, and talking about a team which is coming into a transitional mode, right? Like it's come from basically Pentium 1 to Pentium 85, right? Like वो वाला चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स में इतना massive change दिखा है स्ट्रक्चर में, इसलिए ये सवाल सामने आ रहा है लोग के यार कि भाई विल धोनी इवन लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग कि भाई खाली इंपैक्ट प्लेयर खिलाओ उनको, 16वें ओवर के बाद बैटिंग दे दो, खेल लेने दो उनको, like let him just come and be a batsman. But yeah, I think with Sanju Samson entry right now, wicket keeping ability, he's got the same sense of that. Yes, Dhoni. If you ask me personally, I'm a sucker for Dhoni, like in the sense that I like Dhoni the player a lot. I would like to see him, but I do understand the counter argument here that if there is a world in which धोनी को बिठा सकते तो मे बी बिठा के चेन्नई के पूरे यंगस्टर्स को खिलाओ, बट I don't really see that. धोनी का सबसे बड़ा स्टैंड मतलब is his captaincy, right? Like if we talk about that.
Yeah, the only thing is, I mean, the thing is, he's not going to captain, but he's there
Yeah.
behind the stump. So, मेरा ये simple है कि भाई अगर वो खेल रहा है तो आप पूरा खिलाओ. Don't play him as an impact sub. It doesn't make any sense because, like you said, he's going to be behind the stumps. Unless you want to play him as just a wicket keeper captain or like wicket keeper behind the stumps. Ruturaj, remember, is the captain. He is fit. He's going to lead the squad. But yeah, if you're playing Dhoni, I think you'd play him for the full thing. You can push his batting order if required, मगर पूरा खिलाना पड़ेगा अगर आप think. आप बाद में स्विच कर सकते हैं अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई MSG नहीं चल रहा, हम नहीं बिठा रहे हैं उसको, then he can, maybe he himself will say that no, let Samson to take the gloves duty and I will sit out. But initially I think he will play. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है वो खेलेंगे and keeping भी करेंगे and शायद बैटिंग भी कर लेंगे. बैटिंग करे भी तो देखते हैं कितने बॉल खेलते हैं, because I feel पिछले 2 साल यार वो अवॉइड कर रहे थे. Like he was just coming when the game was done and dusted. He only came a couple of times where it was clutch, but it wasn't the Dhoni of old, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, the season 24 actually didn't do that bad. Remember, like he was hitting a lot of sixes towards the end. Mumbai Indians को मारा था, यश दयाल को भी
हाँ
almost
हाँ,
उन्होंने वो
3
गेम फिनिश
छक्के
किया.
मारा
वो
था.
एक सीजन अच्छा करा, but I think I agree. एक चीज है मुसाबा, ये भी नजरिए से देख रहे लोग कि obviously the ones who are not favoring this argument is that who are like favoring the fact that he shouldn't be in the 11. Sorry, कि वो आप जैसा बोले भाई क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा था कंसिस्टेंटली, एंड he's not been in and around dugouts, he's not been in and around with the bat. Like विराट कोहली का हम बोलते हैं ना, like चलो he's playing one format, but apart from that gaps है, but उस gaps में भी आप देख सकते हो कि भाई लॉर्ड्स में जाके, लीड्स में जाके he's doing training and the fitness and stuff like that. But with Dhoni it's mostly you feel like it's vibes, it's Chennai. आज भी आप देखे, कल देखे चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स जब वो निकाले क्लिप, just walking into the field, man, the decibels and the whole atmosphere just gets alive, and I think that is also important why you should play Dhoni, because धोनी नहीं खेला तो में भी उतनी आवाज निकलेगी नहीं लोगों की.
Yeah, I think initially तो बहुत आवाज निकलेगी वहां पे, because संजू सैमसन भी है, धोनी भी है, तो वो डबल वो होगा, and they will see how it goes. अगर he is negatively impacting the 11, then I'm sure he himself will sit out. But initially I think because you're excited and CSK is known for MS Dhoni, he'll definitely, I think, get into the 11. Where does he fit in the 11 is a question. I think he'll probably bat at 7 8, not higher than that, and then he will keep. I think that's how he's going to fit into the 11, and then they can make a call depending on that.
I've been actually calling this someone outside shout that just give him the power play, don't give him the last one, give him the power play. Field is inside, फिराने जाएंगे, मारने जाएंगे, एटलीस्ट आके अपना विकेट जल्दी जल्दी निकला. बट अगर उनका लग गए 2-3 छक्के, which is possible as well, knowing what strength that guy possesses, and abhi bhi like being 41-42, man, he's looking in good form, fitness. But I saying this even I think last year that just get him into the power play, let him hit the bowler. Khalas,
Well,
like
गायकवाड बोलेंगे पहले तो ने कप्तानी ले लूंगा मेरा, फिर बैटिंग भी ले लूंगा, मैं कहाँ बैटिंग करूं, लाइक वैसा सिचुएशन। द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट इज राइट, आपके जो ओपनर है ये वो उन लोग ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगे, फिर
डिस्टर्ब
आपके
हो
पास
जाएंगे।
भाई आयुष मात्रे, संजू सैमसन है, गायकवाड है, ब्रेविस है, ये चार, फिर अगर उर्विल पटेल खेलता है या सरफराज है वहां पे, अगर उन लोग का भी वो हो जाएगा, सो आई मीन या लाइक इट वाजंट अ बैड ऑप्शन मे बी अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स अगो। If they do try it, I'll be fascinated. Like I'll be like, अरे ये क्या हो रहा?
And Mahendra Singh Dhoni coming out to bat, the two like biggest icons फिल वक्त चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स and also India में अगर आप देखो, like Sanju is also not, I think it's the Dhoni level, but the decibel level will sort of match from the south side for sure. But yeah, 11 तो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी, but like even 16 17 में do you still feel कि यार अगर वो बैटिंग करने आएंगे वो इम्पैक्ट आएगा, वैसा वाला मेरा इसलिए ध्यान पावर प्ले पे जाता है।
बट वही है ना, वहां पे उनको बस ये करना है कि भाई आई हैव द पावर, आई हैव द स्ट्रेंथ, आई एम गोना स्विंग, if I don't swing I'll get out, but at least you're not blocking the other people's number, right?
ये तो
आप
बात ठीक है।
उसके बाद कौन आएंगे, लाइक आपके बॉलर ही आएंगे, नूर अहमद, इन लोग वो, सो लाइक यू नॉट ब्लॉकिंग एनीबॉडी, सो इट्स अ फ्री हिट ओवर देयर। ओपनिंग में क्या है, फ्री हिट है टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, लेकिन अगर आप गलती से थोड़े बॉल कंज्यूम कर लिए तो फिर आपकी जो मिडिल ऑर्डर है एंड आपकी जो पोजीशनिंग है वो थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई फील ओवर देयर। Keeping wise, I still feel, man, he's extremely talented and he knows it inside out. I don't know how he's still going to keep, like at this age and with in an environment like this where you need to be very alert. But he's done a very good job in keeping. So I'm still more confident on that. Batting, I think they'll have to just go with this situation and see how it goes. If Chennai get off to a winning start, then I think that is the best ideal situation.
And the depth they got, Musab, actually helps him as well, right? Like just as a keeper, like you said, जो शुभमन गिल को या किसको स्टंप करे थे last year 0.2838 seconds में करे थे, he still got that. And for a batting, the depth is there. You got Devault, then you got Shivam, then you've got Prashant Veer, Karthik Sharma, अगर impact सब कोई ला रहे या something like that. तो वो depth के वजह से कहीं ना कहीं maybe उनका और delay होते होते 19 to 18 over तक ideally maybe he's targeting के 2 over जैसा आप बोले swing and try to hit something like that. So I think yeah, that makes sense. But are you in the favor of keeping him in the 11? Like I am in the favor of keeping him in the 11. Like what people are saying.
Yeah. I mean, I'll keep him in the 11, like because the thing is, otherwise the impact sub and all this is not going to work. So like I think you'll have to keep him in the 11, and if he doesn't, so I would give him like as many games as possible. But if it's becoming very bad, then I would switch it up. But yeah, initially I'll keep him in the 11. And क्या रहता है अभी भी वो बैट्समैन के दिमाग में भी खेल जाता है कि भाई धोनी पीछे खड़ा हुआ है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, फील्डर इधर उधर, उसको डबल अलर्ट रहना पड़ता, राइट? एंड धोनी इज आल्सो अ गाय विद हिज bowlers. He's not somebody who's like us. If we get pissed off if the guy bowls bad, this and that, he doesn't like. He gives the bowler confidence. Only when the bowler becomes rude or he does not, or he doesn't listen to him for like 100 times, then he'll say
last season what we were seeing last season, like last
Yeah.
season 2-3 बार हुआ था
yeah, बहुत ज्यादा अगर कर दिया तो वो हो जाएगा. Otherwise, that presence is very crucial. So initially, I see him in the 11. नहीं तो भाई, there's no point of him to be in the squad अगर 11 में तो खिलाना ही पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah, I think that speaks volume. Like, why would you retain someone for 4 crore at 42? And obviously, man, like it's Dhoni. I think, like you said it in the beginning, he will be the one who will get the crowd going, the CSK franchise going, possibly a last season. So I think, yeah, I guess with all of those things in mind, people will probably, the franchise also is behind him 100%.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens and how it pans out. But thank you so much, Fez, and thank you everybody. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. We'll have more interesting topics coming up during the week. We're all excited for the IPL, so do stay tuned to Chasing Trophies and take care. Have a good rest of the evening.